My name is Brandon, and I have epilepsy.
How old are you?
14.
My name is Brett, and I have epilepsy.
Why do you have a memory shelf?
So I can remember stuff.
Do you have trouble remembering things?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have seizures.
And what do the seizures do? How do you feel about your brother having epilepsy?
Horrible.
Does it scare you when he has seizures?
Yeah.
How many seizures do you have a day?
About 1 or 2
Do you ever have them at night?
in the daytime.
Do you have them at night while you're sleeping?
Sometimes at night.
What do you think about having epilepsy?
It's kind of hard.
Why is it hard?
The seizures.
Do you remember what the seizures feel like?
Not really.
Are you scared you'll have seizures?
Mm-hmm.
When do you get scared you'll have a seizure?
In the day.
Why are you scared to be in a room by yourself?
Because I have seizures.
Do you get to go outside and play?
No.
Why not?
Because I have seizures.
Do you get to ride a bike?
No.
Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yeah.
Why can't you ride a bike?
Because I have seizures.
Do you get to ride bikes?
No.
Why not?
Because I have seizures.
How can you tell if you had a seizure while you were sleeping?
If I bit my tongue or I'm tired or I have black eyes.
Brett. 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 You okay? Brett. It's okay.
What? Yeah, that's scared. He wasn't so scared and like.
Okay? Yeah? You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
You okay? Just look at mommy. It's okay. Just look at mommy. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just look at mommy. It's alright. It's okay. Look at mommy. Brett, where's mommy? Brett, no, sweetie. Brandon!
What happened?
You okay?
Yes. I'm okay.
Are you with mommy?
Yes, ma'am. I'm with you.
Can you look at mommy?
Run?
No, baby. Stay right here, okay? Look at mommy. There you are. You're such a handsome boy. I love you. You feel okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, there's no reason to be afraid, okay? Mommy's right here, right? It's okay, Brett. It's okay. 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 Hold your booty. It's okay, huh? Are you back with Mommy, Brett? It's okay. It's okay. What? It's okay, Mama's right here, baby. It's okay, Mama's right here. I love you too, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Hold Mommy's hand. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know. It's okay, baby. It's okay. 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 Mama's right here. It's okay. Mommy's right here. Look, you got your boo-boo. It's okay. 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 Are you back with Mommy?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell Mommy when your birthday is?
October 7th, 2004.
Very good. Now, how old are you?
9.
Very good. You feel okay? No more scared? Okay. Yeah? Can you look at Mommy, please? Yeah, see? It's okay, right? Yeah. It's okay, huh?
Okay, baby. I got
You with Mommy? Yeah?
Baby, I
You
got
okay?
my hands.
You okay? Yeah, see? It's okay. You okay? Yeah. It's okay, right?
Mommy, I got my hands.
It's okay. See? It's okay, huh? You okay? Brett, are you okay? Brett, can you hear Mommy? You can hear Mommy? Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm. Mama, please wasn't my hands.
It's okay, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. It's okay. You with Mommy? Yeah? You stay with Mommy, okay? Where's Mommy? Yeah.